The question I will be doing is Chapter 7, Question 7, Version B. Okay, so what I did wrong was I did not know that these triangles were similar, and so all my math beyond that just ended up being incorrect. So the way I fixed that is just first I realized that, so first I'll make the triangle. I know that the perimeter equals 37 kilometers. And what I need to do is I need to find the lengths of AD and DC. So first I do 12 plus 10, that equals 22. And then 37 minus 22 equals 15. And I did that to show that to find the length of A to C. So AC is 15 kilometers. Then, so what I would do is 10 over X equals 12 over 15 minus X. So 150 minus 10X equals 12X. So plus 10X plus 10X, 150 equals 22X over, divided by 22 to single out X equals 150 over 22, and simplified, X equals 75 over 11. So I know that X equals 75 over 11. So to make it easy to subtract it, we'll find out what 15 is in 11th. So 15 times 11 equals 165, and then so 165 over 11, and then 165 over 11 minus 75 over 11 equals 90 over 11. And so that means that AD, because that's X, equals 75, so AD equals 75 over 11, and DC, because it's 15 minus X, and so it's 165 over 11 minus 75 over 11 equals 90 elevenths, which equals 15. Okay, today I'll be doing Chapter 10, Question 9, Version B. Firstly, the only thing I did wrong with this question is I knew the theorem for exterior angle tangent tangents, but what I didn't know how to do was to solve tangent exterior angle theorem problem with only the exterior angle. Okay, so first, draw the diagram, label it all, and what I'm supposed to find is the measure of arc LMJ. Okay, first I do the theorem for, write out the theorem for this. And so it's measure of angle K equals 1/2 of the measure of arc LMJ minus the measure of arc LJ. Next, so I'll substitute these variables. So 40 equals 1/2 of 360 because there's 360 degrees in a circle, minus 2x because of the 2x, and then minus 2x again because it's the 360 minus the small arc will equal the big arc, so then 2x is a small arc, so there you go. And then we multiply by 2 so we can make it easier to solve. So multiply by 2, so 80 equals 360 minus 2x minus 2x, and then we simplify. 80 equals 360 minus 4x, and then we'll subtract by 360 to get x on its own side by 360. So now we have 280, negative 280 equals negative 4x. And then divide by negative 4, so we can have x on its own. So 70 equals x. And so we know that 70 equals x, and so the measure of arc LJ equals 2x. So the measure of arc LJ equals 2 times 70. And so the measure, degrees. And so the measure of arc LJ equals 140 degrees. Because there's 360 degrees in a circle, we do 360 minus 140 equals 220. And so that's the measure of the big arc, or arc LMJ. So the measure of arc LMJ equals 220 degrees, and that is the answer to the question.